Good morning. My name is Mrs. Allen. I am so excited. I'm taking on a new adventure this year. I'm normally a third grade teacher, but I'm going to be tackling and getting to be your second grade online teacher this year. We've got three schools that I'm going to get to work with. So my home school is Bella Vista, and we are the home of the Tigers. And I get to be the second grade online teacher as well for Mid Valley, Go Junior Huskies, as well as our Sprucewood friends, Go Falcons. Side note, I was a Falcon when I was in elementary school in Idaho. So you might have a little special place in my heart, Mr. Falcons. Anyway, I cannot wait to meet you guys. Next week, we get to start and have a blast. And online is going to be totally new for most of us and a challenge. And hopefully, we find it an adventure for just a short while. And then we get to come back to our classrooms. Anyways, I have been teaching for 10 years. And I love technology, so hopefully we can incorporate some of those fun things that I have learned over the course of my career. I'm originally from Idaho. I played college golf, and I've traveled all over the world for it. I played collegiately at North Carolina State, as well as Portland State, and I've gotten to travel to South Korea and Japan and Thailand, and I've played all over. So I love golf, and my husband plays, and we are trying to get our two little boys to play too. They're still little, so maybe someday they'll like it. But I love math, so you'll see a lot of my math videos with me teaching, but I'm working with another group of second grade online teachers. So you might see some of their videos in there too. So don't be afraid when all of a sudden a different teacher pops up and is teaching you something else. That's okay. This is collaboration at its best, and I hope that you work well with your teammates here too. But be excited, be ready, and we'll have some fun activities to get to know each other and keep learning as we go, because education, you guys, is so fun, and I cannot wait to meet you and to be your teacher and see how this year goes. Talk to you soon.